Say hello to the Braava mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. Braava automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. Braava uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. Braava is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. Braava features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and Braava uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and Braava uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, Braava traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. Braava is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, Braava and iRobot. Better together.
Grillbot is easy to use. At the touch of a button, power flows from the lithium-ion battery to the computer brain and to the 3 powerful engines. Grillbot automatically cleans your grill. The removable and easy-to-clean brushes get deep into the grill and remove all cooked-on particles, leaving the grill perfectly clean for your next barbecue. It's easy to use and requires no effort. Grillbot, the automatic grill cleaning robot.
Leaves, clogs, bugs, and other pests in your gutters. To leave them would cause water damage and overspills. To clean them would swallow up a whole weekend. That is, until now. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot is a must-have tool for your home maintenance arsenal. Looj takes this dangerous and dirty job and does it for you. No more repeated ladder climbing. No more overreaching from dangerous heights. No more Sundays wasted. Simply place Looj into the gutter using the detachable handle and let the robot get to work. Spinning at 500 RPM, the high-velocity 4-stage auger breaks apart clogs, then lifts and throws them away from your roof as sweepers and a scraper clear the remaining debris and make sure the path is cleared for the robot to travel. Looj gets its power from a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, giving it the muscle needed to handle your gutters. Looj can be used in either automatic clean mode or manual mode. In clean mode, just push the clean button, and Looj travels down your gutter on its own, sensing and adapting to debris to provide the most effective cleaning. Manual mode allows you to control the robot's forward and reverse directions using the detachable handle, which doubles as the remote control. At just under 2 inches high and 3 inches wide, Looj fits in most K-style gutters. This low-profile design allows Looj to easily travel under most gutter straps and over downspout holes. Looj cleans gutters faster than traditional methods, cleaning up to a 30-foot section of gutter in about 5 minutes. Doing this manually takes 5 times longer on average. The robot's waterproof design is not only critical for clearing wet leaves, but also makes for an easy cleanup using your garden hose. Looj comes complete with an additional set of smaller, more compact ejectors, allowing you to customize your auger for varying types of debris found in different seasons or conditions. Looj reduces the risk of injury from repetitive climbing and extended time on ladders, and also helps to prevent overreaching from dangerous heights. The slip-resistant rubber handle and hands-free belt clip combine for safer ladder climbing and robot handling. iRobot is driven by a passion for building practical robots like Looj that make a meaningful difference in people's lives. The iRobot Looj 300 series gutter cleaning robot takes a dangerous, dirty job and does it for you.
Alexa, ask RoboVac to start cleaning.